welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you something very interesting. I want to show you how you can get to use Office 365 for free, right? And you're right, I said for free, right? And so you get to use some of the tools like Microsoft Word, Excel. I think PowerPoint is also there. And so you get to use some of the Office 365 tools for free right on your computer. You don't pay for anything, right? And so if you're looking for a word processor, or you're away from your computer that you normally would work on and you don't have access to the Office tools, then this is one way that you can get it for free, right? So one of the first things we want to do is that we want to get our browser open. So go ahead and open up your favorite browser. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, and you type in office.com. So office.com. Now under office.com, you have two options, and I'm already signed in, right? But they should be signed in and purchased, right? And so you click on sign in and put in your username and your password that you normally would use. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, then you can of course sign up for a Microsoft account for free. Let me do it in Edge just so that you guys can see that sign-in process again. So just to make sure you're seeing everything that is necessary. So again, word processors, Excel, PowerPoint, and some of the other tools available by Microsoft you guys can use for free, right? So I'm using the Edge browser just so that you're clear on all the steps so we don't miss anything. Drag this across, and again I'm saying let's go to office.com, right? So this is what you will see the first time you sign in. So you can don't click on get Office, because that means you're purchasing it. And of course, if you want some of the other features, then you can go ahead and purchase that, right? But sign in, this is in order for you to use it for free. It requires a Microsoft account, so you'll need a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create one, so just go ahead and create one. It's totally free, right? You don't need to pay to create a Microsoft account. Then you can put in your email address, and that's my email address, and put in your password. And of course, if you're just creating this, then it means that you will have to go ahead and sign in. I don't want this to remember this, so if you still sign in, for me, no, I won't stay signed in, although it's my computer. But I'm thinking that you guys will be doing this on the fly, right? So it gives you the option to install Office and the other one to buy Office. Both of them are paid versions, right? So we don't need that. If you notice on the side here, it has the bunch of menus or items, programs that you can use. And so keep in mind that these are operating now through the cloud, right? So let's say I wanted to type a Word document. I click on Word, and of course there are templates that you can use. If not, new blank document. And of course the interface that I'm working with looks a lot like the interface that you would work with the program while it's on your computer, right? So I could go ahead and type and say, type a letter or whatever I'm typing. So let's see, wow, I really love this, right? And the interface looks the same as Microsoft Word. It even brings dictation that you can use, right? So, and it's doing all of that. Let me just mute my phone here, guys. It's doing all of that now, but it's working as Microsoft Word. We can then go in and save this, and it saves a copy to my drive. Now, OneDrive gives you 5 gigabytes for free, which is a lot, right? So I already have files in here. So I save, give it a name. I'll call this my trial document. And so it is saved. Now this is also a great tool for collaboration. And I'm not going through all the working arounds of Microsoft Word and Excel. I have videos for those on my YouTube channel, right? But this is how you can use some of the various tools for free. And of course, there will always be the option for you to purchase, right? And you can collab with this, so you can have more than one person working on the same document, adding comments and so forth. You can also download the file or save the file as a copy. So you can download a copy and it goes direct to your computer, and so then you will also get a chance, then you notice, to use the file on your computer or take it along with you. And of course, if it's saved to your drive, it means then that anywhere that you can log in from anywhere and access your data. So you can also do spreadsheet. So this is great for if you're teaching. Well, for me, if I'm teaching spreadsheet and the child, or if you don't have access to Microsoft Excel, then you can use this as a spreadsheet, right? And of course, what I don't see in here that I do use is Microsoft Access. But it has a bunch of Microsoft Office tools that you can use. It saves your document. You're able to download your document and you get 5 gigabytes of space for free, right? So I hope this was useful. I hope now you find out where you can get Office 365 tools that you can use for free to become a productive person, right? That's it, guys. Stay safe. And like always, go geek yourself.